In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix error attestation denied on Twitter login. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this error is an automated anti-bot flag. It triggers when X's backend security framework fails to verify the integrity of your hardware device, OS environment, or network root, automatically blocking your login. So what you can do is force a web browser bypass. It's the fastest fix. Close your application and then log in through your browser and then log in with your handle credentials and then create a new passkey. Then on your mobile application, log in with a passkey, and since passkeys utilize cryptographically signed hardware tokens, X will authorize the handshake instantly without triggering the attestation block. What you could also do is if you're on Wi-Fi, try and just switch over to your mobile data instead, and then go ahead and see if that works. Now, the final thing I would recommend doing is clearing your cache. So go over to your settings, go ahead and scroll down and then go over to general, then go to iPhone storage. And then from here, all you want to do is go ahead and find X, click on it, and then offload the app to clear the cache. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.